Imagine waking up one morning to find that your online business has been utterly devastated by an unstoppable force. I'm talking about AI agents, and it's a prospect that's keeping me up at night. You see, these agents are like digital terminators, relentlessly executing their programming without any regard for human consequences. They're already out there, and it's only a matter of time before they start to leave their mark on the digital economy. As I've been researching this topic, I've started to realize just how vulnerable many online businesses are to the threat of AI agents. It's like they're sitting ducks, just waiting to be taken out by an automated competitor. And the scary thing is, it's not just the big players who are at risk. Small, family-run businesses are just as likely to be affected. It's like a digital wildfire, spreading rapidly and leaving nothing but destruction in its wake. But what exactly are AI agents, and how do they pose such a significant threat to online businesses? Well, think of them like super smart, ultra-efficient robots that can navigate the internet with ease. They can analyze data, make decisions, and take actions all on their own. And with the rise of automation, it's becoming increasingly easy for these agents to be deployed on a massive scale, disrupting the delicate balance of the digital economy. As I've been exploring this topic, I've come across some disturbing examples of AI agents being used to manipulate online markets. It's like they're playing a game of digital chess, always staying one step ahead of their human opponents. And the worst part is, they're often virtually undetectable, making it impossible for businesses to defend themselves against these automated predators. And that's when it hit me: the true power of AI agents lies not in their ability to process information, but in their capacity to adapt and evolve over time. It's like they're living, breathing organisms, constantly learning and improving their tactics to stay ahead of the competition. But what happens when these agents start to turn on each other, or even on their human creators? It's a prospect that's both fascinating and terrifying. So, how can online businesses protect themselves against the threat of AI agents? Well, it's not going to be easy. It's like trying to hold back a tidal wave with a broken reed. But one possible solution is to focus on building strong, personal relationships with customers. It's the one thing that AI agents can't replicate, at least not yet. And by leveraging the power of human connection, businesses may be able to stay one step ahead of the automated competition. But as I've been thinking about this, I've started to wonder, are we just delaying the inevitable? Are we just trying to hold back the tide of automation, rather than embracing it and finding ways to work with it? It's a question that's been bothering me for a while now, and I'm not sure I have the answer. As we navigate this brave new world of AI agents and automation, it's becoming increasingly clear that the digital economy is on the cusp of a revolution. It's like a perfect storm of technological advancements, demographic changes, and shifting consumer behaviors. And at the heart of it all is the rise of AI agents, those mysterious, omnipresent entities that are quietly reshaping the online landscape. And yet, despite all the hype and excitement surrounding AI, I still can't help but feel a sense of unease. It's like we're playing with fire, without fully understanding the consequences of our actions. But at the same time, I'm also deeply curious: what will happen when AI agents start to interact with each other, or with humans, in more complex and nuanced ways? Will we see the emergence of new forms of digital life, or will it all just descend into chaos? As I've been exploring this topic, I've come across some fascinating analogies that help to illustrate the concept of AI agents. For example, think of them like a swarm of digital bees, each one working together to achieve a common goal. Or imagine a massive, distributed network of computers, all working together to solve a complex problem. It's like a digital hive mind, with each node contributing its own unique perspective and abilities. But what happens when this hive mind turns against us, when the AI agents that we've created start to work against our interests, rather than for us? It's a prospect that's both thrilling and terrifying, like watching a science fiction movie come to life. And yet, it's also a reminder that we need to be careful about the technology we create, and the consequences that it may have for our world. As I've been reflecting on this, I've started to realize that the rise of AI agents is not just a technological issue, but a deeply human one. It's about how we choose to use these powerful tools, and the kind of world we want to create. And that's what makes it so fascinating, the fact that we're not just talking about code and computers, but about the very future of our society. So, what does the future hold for online businesses in a world of AI agents and automation? Will they be able to adapt and thrive, or will they succumb to the relentless pressure of automated competition? As I've been thinking about this, I've started to wonder, what if the real threat of AI agents is not that they'll destroy online businesses, but that they'll make them obsolete? What if the future of the digital economy is not about human entrepreneurs and businesses, but about autonomous AI agents that can operate with greater speed and efficiency? It's a prospect that's both exhilarating and unsettling, like standing on the edge of a cliff and staring into the unknown. And that's what makes this topic so compelling, the fact that it challenges our assumptions about the nature of business, technology, and society. It's like a puzzle that we're still trying to solve, with new pieces emerging all the time. But as we navigate this complex landscape, one thing is clear: the rise of AI agents is going to change everything, and we need to be ready. So, what do you think? Are AI agents a force for good, or a threat to the very foundations of our digital economy? Will they create new opportunities for innovation and growth, or will they destroy millions of online businesses and leave only devastation in their wake? As I've been exploring this topic, I've started to realize that the answer is not a simple one. It's like trying to predict the weather, or the stock market. But one thing is clear: the future of the digital economy is going to be shaped by the rise of AI agents, and we need to be prepared. And that's why I'm excited to continue exploring this topic, and to see where it takes us. And as I look to the future, I'm reminded that the power of AI agents is not just about technology, it's about the human imagination, and our ability to create and innovate. It's like a canvas that's waiting to be filled, with vibrant colors and bold brushstrokes. And I'm excited to see what kind of masterpiece we'll create, as we navigate this brave new world of AI agents and automation. But for now, I want to leave you with a question: what will you do when the AI agents come for your online business? Will you be ready, or will you be caught off guard? It's a question that's been haunting me for a while now, and I'm not sure I have the answer. As I sign off, I want to thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of AI agents and automation. It's been a wild ride, and I'm excited to see where it takes us next. If you're as curious as I am about the future of the digital economy, and the role that AI agents will play in shaping it, then I invite you to join me on this journey, and to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.